All right, everyone. We are going to look at Elon here. So I am marking out some support levels down here, and we'll get into the most recent price action here very soon. So you can see these levels all the way down to the 1618. And before we get into it, let me just zoom over here. You can see these levels correspond with way back here in September, July, August, September of 2021 in this volume area. So the big question is Elon going to go down that low? I do not know. So let's zoom in. I would say if Elon goes that low, then I am definitely going to load up on some Elon down here. So that is the fib from the low here to the high. And we're going to go ahead and get that off of the screen. And we are going to focus on the high to the low here. You can see where Elon is getting stuck right at your 618, right at your 100-day EMA. So until it breaks over the 147 and then the 156 area here at your 786, you can see this is where we have all this volume. Until you get over that 156 area, there is no momentum up, in my opinion. So from where we are right now, right below that 100, right below that 618, we need to move up 6% to that 156. And then, like I said, if we can get over that 156 and get a close and hold that as support, then we'll have a shot at getting over the 200-day EMA and some higher price targets in. But the big question on my mind is the fact that we're getting stuck at that 618 is the bottom in here, or is Elon about to kind of capitulate down to some of these way lower price targets here and give us a chance to load up on some Elon down here? So if we do not go higher than we are now, of course, we are going to have a lot of little bounce points here. A 4% drop to 14.7 or 14.1 rather. Then we have 13.5 for an 8% drop, and then all the support here at 128 for a 14% drop. And then ultimately, if we fall below the 116 area, that is a 21% drop. Then Elon's going to definitely start hitting some lower price targets. You can see all the support in this area. I would say once we fall below that, then that may be all she wrote, and we are going to get Elon at these lower price targets. So if this 618 is the high, and we come back down, we take out a 21% drop down to that 11.6 area. The first stop you can see is about a 38% drop down to 9.2. You can actually see that picks up a 0 here. This is where this wick is. I don't think that's going to hold. I do think that once we take out this area, which I'm going to draw a box here, if we take out this general price area here, if we take out this box on Elon, then I would say she probably more likely than not is coming down to this volume area. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw a box in this whole area here. This is going to be our target to kind of watch to load up on our Elon here if we make it down to this volume area. So there is a chance, Elon is going to fall off the table at some point, but eventually come down here into this green support box, go sideways, and then whenever, we're in that next run when all the dogs are running, Elon's going to go to the moon, of course. And I do think Elon is probably good for a 20, 40x maybe. We'll see. I'll take a 20x on Elon, especially if I can load up down here. So we will leave it at that for now on Elon. Just kind of keep an eye on those prices. Hopefully we'll get it way cheaper. And we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.